Hello everyone, in this video I'll be reviewing this Maono AU-HD300 dynamic microphone. So this is a box of the microphone. In my review I'll be covering the following aspects. First, I'm gonna tell you what comes in the box of the microphone. I'm not gonna be doing an unboxing, I'm just gonna tell you the items that comes with the microphone. Then I'm gonna be talking about the specifications very quickly of the microphone, about also the connections and the controls of this microphone. And of course, all this video will be recorded with this Maono AU-HD300 microphone. So what comes in the box of this microphone? In a word, everything you need comes in the box of this microphone. So you have the microphone itself, you have a shock mount, you have also a desk stand here, you have a pop filter, you have a USB cable, you have an XLR cable. So all these come with this microphone. So you're ready directly to be recording or streaming with this microphone. Now, to talk about the specifications of this microphone, as I said before, this is a dynamic microphone. So it has a polar pattern of a cardioid polar pattern. And also it covers a frequency range from 40 Hz to 17 kHz. It records in 16-bit, 48 kHz. This is the maximum it can get. Now, to talk about the connections and the controls of this microphone, it has two connections, which is very good. So you can connect it to your PC with a USB cable. It is a USB-C cable that is provided. It is a very good length. And also you can use it as an XLR microphone. So it also comes with an XLR cable. So here I connected both. Now I am recording with USB. I'm gonna be switching to XLR later in the video, and I'm gonna tell you when I switch to XLR so that you can hear the difference for yourself. And to finish up on the connections, also on the back of the microphone here, it has also a 3.5mm jack so that you can monitor in real time the microphone output. But this only works with the USB mode of the microphone. It doesn't work with the XLR mode of this microphone. And to finish up on the controls that are on this microphone, it has here like plus and minus buttons, and it has also an on and off button. These here, the minus and plus buttons, are only to control the volume of the headphones when you connect them to the microphone's 3.5mm jack output, and the on-off button is here. So I'm gonna now operate the buttons to see if you can hear while you're recording if they make any noise. So I'm gonna turn it off and on again. So now I turned it off and on again. And unfortunately, you can hear like the off and on button turning on and off again, instead of it being like a touch button. Like other Maono models, they have a touch button, which is far better than this physical button here. But I think for the price of this microphone, they opted for a physical button. So as I said before, all this video is recorded using this microphone, and I'm using OBS, and I didn't put any filter to enhance the sound of the microphone. The only filter I've put is that to increase the gain of this microphone, because otherwise it would be really low. So I put the gain at 10 dB now, as you hear it. So I can show you if I remove the gain. So I'm gonna remove the gain now. So now I'm recording without the gain, and see how the sound that I'm recording like goes down, because this microphone, it doesn't have a very powerful preamp, so it's better to put the gain. So I'm gonna put the gain once again now. So now I put the gain to 10 dBs, and you see that, and you can hear, of course, how the sound is better now. So now the last test I'll be doing is that I'll be switching to the XLR output of this microphone, so that you can hear the difference for yourself. I'm using a Steinberg UR12 audio interface, which is a very good audio interface. So let me switch to XLR now. So now I switched to the XLR output of this microphone. And you notice that the XLR is a little bit more powerful than the USB output. I tested this before, so I know that it is more powerful. And frankly, the sound, like the sound quality wise, there is no difference between the two outputs. So I'm gonna switch back to the USB output now, and I'm gonna put the headphones to hear how the sound is, like how the monitoring of this microphone is provided. So let me put my headphones, and now I'm hearing myself while I'm talking. There is no delay, but the sound that is coming here is not like directly from the microphone. It goes through the computer, it's processed, and it's coming back. So, but this is not a big deal because there is really no delay in the sound, and you can hear yourself very good when you talk in the microphone. So now let me give you a summary about what I like and what I don't like about this microphone. First of all, what I like about it is that it is really well constructed. So it is of a metal construction, all the microphone. It feels quality and it is really well aligned, and there are no defaults anywhere on the microphone, neither on the stand or on the pop filter and on the shock mount and so on. Now, what I like also about this microphone is the fact that you have a bundle in the box. So you just purchase this bundle, this microphone, and you have everything you need to start your streaming and recording. So this is something very good. What I also like is that it is budget friendly, so it's not very expensive. What I also like about it is that it provides good sound quality. And it has also two outputs, XLR and USB, and it has some controls. Now, for what I don't like about it is that the USB output is really low, so you need to increase the gain when you record or when you stream so that the sound will be on a good level. The second thing I don't like about it is that the physical controls, first of all, they are hidden in the shock mount, and believe me, I tried to put it in many different positions. And also what I don't like about it is that the controls here are physical controls, and each time you operate them, you can hear the ticking sound in the recording or in the streaming. And that is everything that I don't like about this microphone. But at the end of the day, I'm gonna say that for the price of this microphone and for what you get from this microphone, I can recommend it. It is a good microphone, even though that it has these two shortcomings that I talked about earlier. If you care to check out this microphone, I have an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. If you make a purchase using my link, I will gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will help my channel greatly. So that was my review of the Maono AU-HD300 dynamic microphone. I hope that you liked this review and found it useful. If you did, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and it will help the channel greatly. I want to thank you all for watching and see you in the next video.